See, I'm moving around so much.
I know.
So cutting it is going to be hard. We're going to be like robots. Okay. So.
Welcome to Highway 30. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Amy. And today, we're going to help you get creative.
We've got a cool kit today. Kit 2526.
Now, if you don't know where to get this kit, just take a look at our description box below and there will be a link so you can go grab this box and come craft with us.
It's a fun one.
Super fun.
Let's head out to the shop to take a look at some of the prep work we do ahead of packing your box.
Sit back and relax and enjoy watching all of the steps you don't have to do. Whenever possible, we like to find reclaimed materials. Here I've got some pallet wood that I've cut down and we are sanding it and getting it ready for you.
In this kit, we're going to give you a positive and a negative stencil. Each option is very unique, as you'll see in the end.
Step 1, grab your blocks and your antique wax. This is a wax that you can use over projects, but it's really handy. It looks great when you use it as a stain. It dries a lot faster and it looks just as good.
For flowers, you'll need to grab the 3 lengths of fabric and your leaf. 3 lengths make 3 flowers in varying sizes. We're going to work with the largest one today. We're simply folding lengthwise and hot gluing so it sticks. Start making cuts along the folded edge. Just snip a bit. These small cuts will become your petals. Make sure you don't cut all the way through. Doesn't matter if these are all the same size, it's actually almost better if they aren't. Next, you're going to start rolling the fabric along the uncut edge using hot glue to secure it as you go.
Now it's time to apply our stencil. When you're taking the back off of your stencil, you can be real careful to pull it off slowly and make sure all of those little tiny pieces make it on there. And then as you place it on your wood, give it a rub and then pull it away slowly. Now it's time for paint. Because we're going for that rustic look, you don't necessarily have to worry about the paint bleeding under the stencil. You can still use a dabbing motion as you go, but don't need to feel like you have to completely cover the project because you still want some of that stain look to show through.
Make beading a little easier on yourself by adding a piece of tape at the end. Just makes it a lot easier for it to fit through the holes. Feed your twine through the wood, and once you've made sure that that's nice and even on either side, you can flip things over. We're going to just add a dab of hot glue at the top where the twine is, just to keep things a little more secure and to keep your beads in place.
Guess what you just did?
What?
You made a craft.
Did we make a craft
We made a
together?
craft.
We made a craft together.
We made a craft, and it's a really cute
These are
craft.
awesome. Super cool.
I love the distressed look, and even here you could have the option of painting it over twice. So it would be a solid, but this is so cute with the stain showing.
it makes it distressed as well.
And these little flowers, the more you rub on them,
Yep.
the shabbier they look, which is very, very cute.
Yeah.
So you have a craft, now you have to find somewhere to put it.
Ooh. That could be the hard part.
I know. This could even go like in the middle of a wreath on your front door.
It could.
if you
Absolutely.
wanted to. So
Yeah.
I think
And if
that
you
would
want
be
to take another step to seal it before you put the tie and put the flowers on, there's always an option for that too.
So you've made it to the end of the video, and either you have a really cool craft to share with your family, or you really want to make this craft. So head down the description box below, click on the link, grab the box, and we'll see you again next time.
Thanks.